In today's video, I'll teach you how to change your AliExpress password. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in aliexpress.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of AliExpress. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change your password, it is actually very simple. If you're logged into your account, simply log out of your account. Now after you do that, click on this option sign in or register that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find this option for sign in. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for sign in. All you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to sign in to your account. What you have to do is simply enter your email or phone number over here. Or you can also continue with Google, Facebook, X or Apple if you want. Here, what you have to do is simply enter the email or phone number associated with your account. Click on this field. Now enter the email or phone number over here. Now once you do that, what you have to do is click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Since you want to change your password, what you have to do is click on this option forget password that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to reset your password. You can see two options over here, email or member ID, phone number. What you have to do is simply click on the option that you would like to provide. Here I've selected the option for email or member ID. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the field of email or member ID. Now enter the email or member ID over here. This will be used in order to find your account. After you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number. Right now I do not have access to this particular phone number, but you'll be able to receive the code. All you have to do is enter that code over here. After you enter the code, click on the verify option that you can see on the screen. Now your account will be verified. After you do that, you'll be able to reset your password. All you have to do is simply enter the new password. Create a new password for yourself. After you do that, go back to the login interface of AliExpress. Now over here, enter your password and click on this option sign in and you'll be signed in to your account. So like this, you'll be able to change your password. So that is how you change password in AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.